Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Good morning. I'm gonna show you around some ATVs and some tractor and a few vehicles. Alright, here we go. Here's my cousin's 400 two-stroke. It's an Explorer 400 Polaris. It's a good-looking four-wheeler. Yeah, it'll roll. It's a mean fool. Alright, and here's my F-350 Super Duty truck. It's an alright truck. It's a Ford. It'll go. It'll roll on with you. But, yeah. There it is. And here's my other cousin's truck. It's a F-150. It's an alright truck. And least but not last, get ready to see it. My tractor. It's right here in this old building we built like 2 years ago. There it is. I'm old. That's the name of it. Good looking tractor. Look how thick the tire tread is. It's a good old tractor. And here's, guys, it's a good looking tractor. If y'all like it, subscribe. See ya.